I am Dr. Bharat, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce, AM Science, popularly known as KTHM Knowledge. Student, now today's student friends, I am warmly welcome you today's class. We are talking about GGDT, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography, paper number 4, semester number 1st. Now today's topic is first chapter, Introduction to Population and Settlement Geography. In this topic, today we are we are going to learn this topic. From this topic is subject matter and scope of settlement geography. Student, last lecture will be discussed from the what is mean by the settlement geography, what is mean by settlement. All to point some scholars will be define the explain of the what is mean by the settlement geography. Now, student will be discussed from today's topic is subject matter and scope of settlement geography. What is the first of all will be previous lecture. What is the settlement geography? First of what is the settlement geography? Means the settlement geography is the study of human, land, water, and resource use, population density pattern, and settlement growth. These are the settlement geography. Settlement geography is the study of human, land, water, resource use, population density pattern, and settlement growth. All these concern means all the study in settlement geography. These settlement geography means the human, land, water, resources, population density pattern, and settlement growth. Means these are the study in population geography. It is essential to the urban planning and urban landscape. Means settlement geography. Now, group of people living together from the settlement. It is a settlement geography. Group of people living together from a settlements. Means settlement geography studies the village, town, etc. And also the type of relation these generate. Means type of relation means environment and the settlement relation. These are the all the things will be studied from village as a village then towns. Means the settlement geography studies the village, towns, and also the type of relationship. Means these the difference of types, then difference of the environment, then how to relationship between the town and village, then hamlet. All these things will be studied in settlement geography. Also the types of relation and generates. Means the human settlement geography is the price inhabited more and less prominent by the human groups. Means human settlement means is a place inhabitant more or less permanent by the human groups. These are the settlement geography. Now it will be discussed from the subject matter and scope of settlement geography. Means student, settlement geography is being the offshoot of the social geography and recent most fruit from the vulnerable trunks of human geography was mainly concerned with the urban settlement before the turn of 20th century. Means latter may be described as the hallmark of the contemporary civilization. But since two-thirds of the world population and about 98% of the total settlement occupy the rural area. Many historians, sociologists, and geographers will study of the rural settlement as well as the problem attach the environmental aspect in rural area. Means all these things very important here. Will be so many researchers for example many historical many means history some subject will be studied. Then sociologists and geographers have studied from rural settlement as well as the problem attached with the environmental aspect in the rural areas. Means even urbanized world still a process varied from the rural settlements. Now, thus, is the comprehensive study of the settlement require explain the site and situation, building materials, forms, functions of types of settlement, types of settlement, pattern of settlement, and characteristics of settlement. These are the some will be comprehensive study of the settlement required to explain all the settlement geography. Means what is the situation, what is the site, how material will be used for the preparing the houses. Then what is the types of forms and functions, which function will be in these settlements, what is the type of settlement, what is the pattern of settlement, and what is the different characteristics of the any settlement. Means the settlement geography is the very comprehensive study of the settlements required. Now these site and situation materials, need the interpretation of physical environment aspect and cultural linkages will morphology require in the depth study to sequent occupants involve historical background of the unit and territory of occupants as well as the man and option. Means as the past is the key to the present, as the past is the key to the present, we walk to certain degree in every village among the runs and antiquity and archaeological analysis help to art. Regional variation, spatial pattern, present significance, subject matter, also analyzing for sequence to change. Means the place name study serves remarkably and reconstructing the sequent occupants. The functional analysis not only helps in visualizing socio-economic and organizational structure of rural settlement but also aerial arrangement of towns as well as their distinct zones, spheres, influence, hence study and urban hierarchy or ranking, spacing and morphology. Means all the things. First of all, these urban settlements are studied different two ways. Which is the two way? As the organic whole with the destructive build and structure involved through the various ecological process. Means as the regional focus and all the algorithm is interconnected but the disapparent area indicating the various relationship with the regions it serves. Means the settlement geographer is concerned with the both intra-urban and intra-urban transportation and with the city as the functional as well as the physical entity. The range of subject matter varies therefore from header note of the pioneer fringe in the skyscraper and New York. Means the city geography is at the end of the scale of settlement, pioneering at the other. Means recently, the remarkable growth of million cities and polynuclear contribution and contributions and national occupants of fields and thickets of the countryside have the attract modern settlement geographers toward the environmental impact running the scale on extraction and replacement of flora and fauna. Means large city are to be studied in terms of major aspect. For example, the physiogeographic aspects such as the deformations of urban grounds, state of urban groundwater, then biogeographic and ecological geographic aspect, their role as intermediates and interrelationship interaction and of the intelligently complex characters. Means settlement geography is also concerned with the problems of guiding and directing urban growth and developments into such form of pattern as well as to promote the attainment of a better urban way of life. Means this terms is proposed for international is held then outlined below the comprehensive subject matter to approach to the study and settlement geography is general and rural settlement geography is the mainly particulars. Means all the things very important, all the subject matter is important to the recently the functional as well as the subject matter will be discussed here. Now go to the next point. There's approaches to the rural settlement geography. Means these are the relation to rural settlement geography. Means relation to the rural settlement geography. Rural to settlement geography. It is a relation. This is approach will be studied from the settlement geography. Then field survey. Very important thing. Field survey. Field survey means field survey is important. First hand observation and data collection or very important. Means field survey to consider at the first hand data observation and data collection from village level and rural level. Then census record, maps, other historical records we find out things. Then data analysis, mapping, development, model, paradigms and hypothesis will be discussed and etc. And then other sources materials such as the place names. These are the some approaches to study the rural settlement geography and then all these things. Now second one, the genesis of rural settlement and settlement pattern. Means rural settlement and settlement pattern means historic culture area. Then historical culture areas means various culture groups. Mapping their occupancy units. These are the things in means historic culture area. Means culture area means various culture groups, mapping and their occupants of the land. The system of land divisions, propriety of grand systems, water rights, and their relations in settlement growth of pattern. Next is pioneer settlement area and their problem. Mean difference of pioneer areas and then their difference of problems will be studied in histogenesis for rural settlement and settlement pattern. Then sequence to occupants means bronze, iron, ages, ancient, medieval, and modern period. Means the sequence. This is a sequence of occupants. Means Neolithic periods, bronze period, iron period, then ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Means histogenesis of rural development means how to develop of ruler from last to ancient to modern period. Means the sequence of occupations of the Neolithic period. Then basic regional types and pattern of settlement means these are the relationship of settlement types and pattern of various physical ethics and social factors, and also means relationship to settlement of agriculture, water, soil management, land tenure theories or land use intensity, zoning, labor, and input output cost. Marketing of products and their then locational of special theories all includes. Then morphogenesis of rural settlements means this various geomorphologic form pattern and their relations of various factors. Then functional pattern of rural settlements means analysis of functional types of rural settlement and methodology development. Means functional analysis of service villages and services and trading centers, hierarchy of such centers in the relations to the general central place theory. Rural seasonal migration, community pattern, etc. Then rural building and house types. Analysis of rural house types and other functional buildings and their size, function, architectural styles, and building materials are very important. Then regionalization of houses and building types and etc. Then planning on rural houses and buildings, very important. Then village studies, very important things in village studies. Planning and rationalization of rural settlement and settlement pattern means planning and relationship locational efficiency, landmarks, land house, marketing, living condition, etc. Then planning is in relation to the current economic well-being and social dynamic and demands of modernization. Means planning services, villages, rural service village centers, agent and rural change, and the planning and infrastructure development of rural upliftment. Means these all the things very important. Means histogenesis of rural settlement, basic regional types and pattern of rural settlement, morphogenesis of rural settlement, then rural building and house types. Means rural building and house types. Means these are the all the things we student will be discussed now. Today topic is subject matter of and scope of settlement geography. Now today will be discussed for the settlement geography being the offshoot of social geography. Now discuss all these things today. Basically histogenesis of rural settlement and settlement pattern, basic regional types and pattern of rural settlement, morphogenesis of rural settlements, then functional pattern and rural settlement, rural building and house types, village study, planning and rationalization of rural settlement and settlement pattern. Now today any doubt, any queries, to write a mail bharatgadak@kthmcollege.ec.in. Now to the student we will discuss next lecture approaches to settlement geography. Okay, bye bye.